Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display and brightness. And once you find display and brightness, tap on it to enter. And here you should see the brightness option. Select it. And now you can scroll through the list of brightness levels. Select the brightness level you like. And once you select it, tap on the OK button to confirm and apply it. And once you're done, you can press the upper button, to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.